Hello, kids. Welcome to your favorite channel, Tam's Imagination, where your daily bedtime stories come. Once upon a time, in a cozy little village, surrounded by tall trees and chirping birds, lived three siblings: Ayan, the eldest brother, who was 10, Mariam, his cheerful 8 years old sister, and youngest, little Sami, who was just 5. They lived in a small brick house with blue shutters where laughter filled every room. Well, most of the time, like all brothers and sisters, they sometimes fought over toys, who got the biggest slice of cake, or who would get to sit by the window in the car. But deep down, they loved each other more than anything in the world. One sunny morning, Mariam was building a tower with colorful blocks. She had worked carefully, stacking one block after another, humming a tune. Just as she placed the final block, Sami rushed in, excited to show off his paper airplane. "Look, Mariam, my plane can fly," he shouted. And whoosh! He threw it high into the air. The plane zoomed and crashed. It knocked Mariam's tower down. Her eyes filled with tears. "Sami, you ruined everything." Sami's smile faded. "I didn't mean to. I just wanted to show you my plane." Soon Ayan came running. "What happened?" "She broke my tower," Mariam wailed. "He ruined it," Sami protested. And just like that, the house filled with angry voices. Their grandmother, who was sitting in her rocking chair knitting, watched the commotion. She smiled gently and said, "Come here, little stars." The children, still pouting, gathered around her. "Do you know why I call you stars?" Grandma asked. They shook their heads. "Because siblings are like stars in the sky. Sometimes clouds hide them, sometimes they twinkle differently, but they're always there, guiding and shining together." She leaned closer. "Do you know the secret of siblings?" The children leaned in too. "No matter how many friends you make or how much you love toys, no one will ever stand by you like your brother or sister. Siblings are your first friends, your secret keepers, and your strongest pillars. Without each other, life feels incomplete, just like the sky would without stars." The children listened quietly. Sami sniffled, Mariam hugged her knees, Ayan looked thoughtful. The very next day, the siblings went to play in the forest behind their house. They loved pretending it was a magical kingdom. But that day, they wandered a little further than usual. Suddenly, Sami tripped on a root and fell. "Ouch! My ankle!" he cried. Mariam quickly knelt beside him. "Don't worry, Sami, I'll help you." But when he tried to stand up, he winced in pain. "I can't walk." Ayan looked around. The path back home seemed much longer than before. He felt nervous, but he remembered Grandma's words, "Siblings are your pillars." So Ayan knelt down. "Climb on my back, Sami, I'll carry you." Mariam held Sami's arm steady as Ayan lifted him up. The three of them worked together. Ayan carried, Mariam guided the path, and Sami trusted them. It wasn't easy. Ayan's back ached and Mariam tripped a few times, but they never gave up. Finally, their little house came into the view. Sami whispered, "Thank you, Ayan. Thank you, Mariam. You didn't leave me." Mariam smiled. "Of course not. You are my little brother. And you are my best buddy," Ayan added. That night, Grandma took them outside under the starry sky. "Do you see those stars?" she asked. "Yes," said Mariam. "They shine together, just like us," Sami whispered, holding Ayan's and Mariam's hands. Ayan grinned. "Even if we fight, we'll always come back together because we're siblings." Grandma nodded. "Exactly. Friends may come and go, but siblings are forever. They are your pillars. When you are weak, they'll hold you up. And when you are lost, they will guide you home. And when you are sad, they'll make you laugh again." The children looked at one another. They felt warm inside, knowing no matter what happened, they would always have each other. That night before bed, the siblings made a promise. We will fight sometimes, Mariam admitted, and annoy each other, Ayan added with a laugh. And break towers by mistake, Sammy giggled. But they all said together, we will always be each other's stars. And from that day on, whenever they argued, Grandma would remind them of the secret of the sibling stars. The children grew up, but their bond only grew stronger, and whenever they looked up at the night sky, they remembered siblings are the brightest, strongest pillars in the universe. And so, dear little dreamers, if you have a brother or sister, remember no matter how many times you argue, you will never find anyone who loves you quite the same way. Siblings are forever. This was the end of today's story. We will meet in the next one. Take care till then. Good night.